Hey guys, so welcome back. We have another lunch for Brandon today. Brandon, what are you bringing today?
I have a dirty non-don, the orange, the diamond, and bodily environment.
Good. So we have some grilled cheese here. I tried to do like a star shape. He's saying it's a nonagon. We also have some oranges. We have some steamed broccoli, and then we put vitamins in here for him. And then this is the Little Monster Trail Mix. He and I had made a video together showing how we put that together. So in the trail mix, we have some Chex Mix, some raisins, M&Ms, goldfish pretzels, and pistachios. This is just a mix of things that he liked that you'd find in a typical trail mix. So we actually have another video of that, so I'll go ahead and put the link for that one in the description box. And then we have his bottle of water again today. So this is what we're gonna have. All right, let's go to school. Bye. Okay, hey guys, so we're back. So it looks like this is what he ate today at lunch. So originally we had 2 grilled cheese sandwiches. He finished one of them, but now the second one, it looks like he took it apart and he just ate the cheese that's in the middle. So that's what he did. Oranges are all done. He took his multivitamins, but broccoli still looks the same. Did you eat any broccoli?
Yeah.
How many? One. He ate 1 broccoli. Okay, so we're gonna have to finish that. And then his trail mix, it looks like he picked out some of the stuff and ate about half. It kind of was a lot of trail mix, so that's fair.
I didn't eat the M&M though.
You didn't eat the M&Ms? Why?
I don't know.
That's your favorite part.
Oh, but
Well, good job you didn't eat it because you didn't finish your broccoli. Okay?
no.
Okay, so this is what he brought back. So typically he's gonna sit here and probably finish it up after school. And then another thing is that his school actually provides breakfast, and I think that kind of impacts on like how much he eats at lunch because he has breakfast first thing and then lunch like 3 hours later. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe scale back on what to bring for him, but we will see. We'll see how this week goes. But that's what he brought back. And hope you guys like what you see, and we will see you later. Bye.